Welcome back to Auto Drive. Today, we're diving into a full review of the all-new 2026 Volkswagen Beetle, a modern twist on a classic icon. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more detailed car reviews and features every week. 1. Engine and performance 0-30. Type, e.g., inline-4 turbocharged. Displacement, e.g., 2.0L. Horsepower, e.g., 210 HP. Torque, e.g., 280 pound-feet. Acceleration and top speed, 0-60 time, top speed if available. Voice tip, under the hood, the 2026 Beetle packs a punch. 2. Transmission and drive type 120. Transmission, e.g., 7-speed DSG automatic or optional 6-speed manual. Gears, mention number. Drive type, FWD AWD option if applicable. 3. Suspension, steering and handling 2 o'clock. Suspension, independent front and rear. Shocks, standard gas shocks or adaptive dampers. Steering, rack and pinion, electric power steering. Driving experience, smooth around corners, responsive steering. 4. Brakes 245. Type, all disc brakes. Size, e.g., 12-inch front, 10.5-inch rear. Brake assist features, ABS, ESC. 5. Exterior design 320. Body style, compact hatchback coupe. Dimensions, length, width, height, wheelbase. LED lights, alloy wheels, panoramic sunroof if applicable. Highlight, Volkswagen kept the retro DNA but gave it a futuristic touch. 6. Interior comfort and features 410. Seating capacity, 4-5. Material options, premium leather, cloth, contrast stitching. Features, heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, digital dash. 7. Safety features 5 o'clock. Airbags, front, side, curtain. ABS, ESC, lane assist, rear cross traffic alert. Crash test ratings if available. 8. Infotainment and tech 540. Touchscreen size, e.g., 10.2-inch display. Navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Premium sound system e.g., Fender Audio. 9. Additional features 620. Cruise control, keyless entry and start, sunroof, moonroof, power folding mirrors, ambient lighting. Optional luxury packages, chrome trim, upgraded wheels. 10. Final thoughts and verdict 7 o'clock. All in all, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle blends heritage and modern comfort in a uniquely stylish package. Whether you're in it for the nostalgia or the tech, this one's got a little something for everyone. Call to action. If you like this review, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drive for more reviews like this.